In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make brochure in Inkscape. We'll create a clean, standard trifold brochure from a fresh document, set up accurate guides and layers, lay in shapes, images, and text, and finish with a print-ready export. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. When it opens, you'll see a blank canvas ready to go. We'll set the document up first so everything lines up perfectly in print. Go to File, then Document Properties. In the panel that opens, change the page orientation to landscape. This gives us the wide layout a trifold needs. Also, set the display units to the system you use most, either inches or millimeters. For example, many places use US letter at 8.5 by 11 inches, while others use A4 at 210 by 297 millimeters. Picking the right units makes the rulers and measurements intuitive. For a standard trifold, you need 3 equal panels. From the left ruler, drag guidelines onto the canvas to mark the folds. Place 2 vertical guides so the page is divided into 3 equal columns, one at about 1/3 of the width and another at 2/3. On an 11-inch wide page, that's roughly 3.67 inches and 7.33 inches from the left edge. If snapping is enabled, your guides and objects will click neatly into place, which makes alignment easier. Next, open the Layers panel with Ctrl+Shift+L. Create a layer for your guides and lock it so you don't accidentally move those lines while designing. Put your content, text, images, and shapes on separate layers. Keeping elements on their own layers makes it much easier to select, hide, and edit without disturbing other parts of the layout. Now add visuals. Use the Bezier tool, shortcut B, to draw custom decorative shapes, accents, or dividers that fit within each panel. To bring in your logo or photos, go to File, then Import, and position them inside the correct columns. High-resolution images will print more cleanly, and keeping them within the panel boundaries prevents anything from crossing a fold. For text, select the Text tool with T, then click and drag to create text boxes inside each panel. Leave a safe area of about 1/8 to 1/4 inch away from the fold line so nothing gets pinched or cut. Keep headings short and readable. Adjust line spacing for clarity and align paragraphs consistently within the columns. When you're done, save your working file as an SVG to keep everything fully editable. For printing, go to File, then Save a Copy, and choose PDF. That format preserves alignment, fonts, and graphics so your trifold brochure looks exactly as designed on paper.